Hello guys, welcome to my blog. So this is my third tutorial blog in PHP. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. So gagawin natin ngayon, gagawa tayo ng login system using PHP. Okay, so ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's go!
So, dito guys, gawa mo tayong database. Before ang lahat, gawa tayong database. Wherein, papangalan natin siya db underscore login. Okay? Then, under db login, we create a table inside that database. Gawa tayong table. So, new table. By the way, ang ginagamit kong editor ng database is Navigat. Nasa previous tutorial yan kung paano natin install yan at kung paano gamitin. Panoorin nyo na lang guys. Okay, so here, first is the UID. This is the primary key. So don't worry about it. And the type would be the int and the blank would be 255. Okay. Next field would be first name. Okay. Then variable character would be the type. And the length would be 255 also. So third field, would be the last name of the user. Okay. Variable character and 255. And the fourth field would be the username. Okay. Variable character 255. Okay. Then next would be the password field. Okay, then next would be the variable character 255, and the last would be the lag. Okay, don't forget always this to put. Okay, kasi lag would be determined kung kailan nagawa yung data. Okay, so what type of data type nitong lag would be timestamp. Yun yung default. The-default natin siya. So current type ang natin yan. Current timestamp. Then here in UID, we click the auto increment. So every time na mag-a-add tayo ng data sa database natin or sa table natin, siya yung mag-auto-increment. Primary key, by the way guys, siya yung hindi na uulit ang value. Okay? Sa database natin. Meron po kasi talaga ganun na field na dapat na hindi na ulit. So, moving on. Punta na tayo sa editor natin. Don't forget to save. Okay? So, table user info. Okay? Pa-create na natin. So, we created this table. By default, we don't have any data inside the table. So, by default, we're gonna create the data. So, we start 1. By default, okay? We put some data inside this database. So, first name would be John. And the last name would be DOS. Okay? The username would be admin. And the password would be admin. And the lag would be today. Okay? Today is April 19, 9:42 in the evening. So, let's save this. So, we have data inside this first row. Then let's go to our editor or the IDE. So here my IDE is VS Code or Visual Studio Code. This is the most usable, pinakamagandang gamitin na IDE. So first, we're gonna create a new file. Gawa tayong new file which is save natin siya. Okay, htdocs login tutorial. We can save it as index.php. Okay. So here we created the file index.php. So anong gagawin natin? Inside the index.php, ito yung login. Gawa tayo ng form ng login. Okay? HTML. Let's type HTML5. So, it is automatic na magkakaroon siya ng body, head, and close tag of body and HTML. So, here in the title, we put login form. Okay? Then, bigyan natin ng design. Okay? So, here, we're gonna create a form. Okay? We're inside that form, gonna put some inputs like text box. Okay, then type text. Okay, name would be texting name. Placeholder would be enter your username. Okay. Okay, next would be input again. Type is equal to password. Then next would be name, again, txt, password. So placeholder would be enter your password. So by default, we have here, meron na tayo dito dalawang inputs, which is the username, the password. So tignan natin sa Google Chrome o sa browser niya. Ikaw na itsura yung dalawa. Okay, let's open the browser here at the second monitor. So I'm gonna show you here localhost login tutorial. Okay. Oh, that's it. We have two inputs right here. For us to put design here, we're gonna use Bootstrap. Punta tayo kay Bootstrap. Search lang natin. Bootstrap. Palitas na Bootstrap ngayon. Bootstrap 4. So, yun. get bootstrap. So, by default, kunin natin yung CDN. Copy here, this one. So, ayan. Nakopy na natin yung bootstrap. Ayan. So, para makapag-design tayo dito. Mamaya. So, ano pa yung kulang? Lagay tayo dito ng button. Button, submit. Anong name ng button? Name would be btn submit. That's it. Then let's check the browser if there's changes. Let's go. So you can see there is enter username if you pass submit. Okay, so we want that to be more beautiful. Okay, so we use the bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. So here at the body, we're gonna use div. Okay, class is equal to container dash fluid. This is a basic bootstrap lang, guys, no? Kasi hindi ako master ng bootstrap. So we're gonna cut this form and paste it inside this div class. So then let's fix the indentation. Okay. So below this div class, we're gonna create another div. Class is equal to row. Okay, row. Let's cut it, then put here. Then inside the row, we're gonna create another div for column. Ito kasi yung basic na column length would be 5 and close div. Gonna put it here, div close. Okay. Okay, let's see. Reload. Ayan, as you can see, that's it. Okay. Okay, so next would be we're gonna create a card. Okay, card. Okay, then close, then close div. Okay, let's check it out. What happened? There's no changes yet. So inside this card, we're gonna put another div. My class equal to card header. Card body. Card header, yeah. Okay, let's cut this one and put it inside the card body. What the? Okay, that checks. Okay, ayun. Mayroon na siyang body, as you can see. So, we gotta put it in the center, okay? So, we're gonna create a margin auto for our column. So, let's check it out. Ayan, nasa gitna na siya, kung makikita nyo guys. So, ayan, nasa gitna na siya. So, ano tayong design dyan. So, balik tayo dito sa code. So, inside this form, it has a div, another div class for card-title. Okay. And again, we're gonna cut this one and put it inside this new div. Okay, card title would be, hindi pala natin siya, puput pala natin siya. So, card title would be, we're gonna use h3, header 3, and login 1. Basic login. So, reload natin yung website. That's it. Okay, so code, then here, we're gonna put a class again, then text center for the text to be center, just like that. Okay, basic login. Then next would be, okay, mali pala. Pasok natin dito yung title inside this para nandito siya sa taas ng header. Para gumanda itsura ng form natin. So, that's it. Ayan. So, next would be card title. Okay. Then, card header. Okay. Nasaan ba ang title? So, siyempre, nasa header siya. So, kaya nasa loob siya ng header. Lipat natin siya doon. Then, under form, class. Okay. Gagawa tayo ulit ng card. body. Card body. Okay, so check natin. Ayan. Mukhang gumanda-ganda na rin yung itsura ng mga form natin. So, username, password. Okay, basic login form. Kung mapansin nyo guys, it's responsive siya. Kahit anong maging size ng browser nyo. So, maglagay din tayo ng class here. Sa mga input. Class is equal to form control. So, let's say that. Okay, medyo malaki lang siya. So, here also form, dash control. Then, lagay tayo ng margin sa bottom. Type 2. Margin bottom. 2. That's it. And also here in button, we're gonna put class here in the button for us to have meron siya design. Okay, btn, dash btn primary. So, let's check it out. Then, this is the basic login form. Yan, nagawa na natin yung basic login form. So, may kulang pa. Registration. So, lagyan natin dito ng link or mare-redirect siya sa registration. Okay? So, form class card body. Then, here, at the next line, lagyan tayo ng href. Okay, registration. Tago lang natin yan. .php. Okay, then close tag. Then, sa unahan nito, maglagay tayo ng p. Anong ilalagay natin sa p? Not yet registered. Okay. Click here. Ayan. Yan. Close tab. So, check natin sa browser. Ano nangyari? Click here. Ayun. Pag pumunta doon. So, dapat dito na siya sa baba. Okay, lipat lang natin. So, let's check it out. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng konting space. So, ayan. Click here. Click natin siya dyan. Punta tayo sa registration. Okay. Pero dito muna tayo sa login. Paano mag-login sa PHP? Using paano mag-login dito sa form natin using PHP? So, tayo sa codes. First, we gonna create a module or another PHP file na magla-login. Okay? So, Control N, Control S, we're gonna save it, login underscore module.php. So, nandito yung code natin for login. When the user or yung programmit nag-submit, kailangan papasok tayo sa profile or sa another. Mare-direct tayo sa ibang page. So, let's try it. Okay. Then, here, guys, bago tayo gumawa ng login module, first, gawa tayo ng connection sa database. Huwag natin kakalimutan yun. So, here, gagawa tayo ng connection sa database. Control S, then db underscore connect.php. So, here, PHP, close type for PHP. Here, we're gonna create a variable, con, okay, is equal to MySQL connect. Hindi natin ginagamit yung declare pa tayo ng code bukod. Ito na yung recta. Direct na to. So, ayan. Double quotation, gamma, double quotation, gamma. So, tandaan natin guys, lagi may for parameter, no? So, what would be the first? Localhost yan, for sure. Next would be root. Next would be the password, leave it blank. The name of the database. What? Anong pangalan ng database natin? db underscore login. db underscore login. Yan. So, if na hindi tayo makakonect, okay? Kung hindi naka-open yung web app natin, web server natin, which is minsan, maglalagay tayo ng error dito, die, no connection available. Then, concatenate, MySQLi, error, no, fine. Ayan, maglalabas siya ng error. Okay, so ito na yun, diba napaka-ikli lang, connection sa database. So, here in login natin siya include. Okay? So, here, include, require, once, okay, then double quotation, db underscore connect .php. Ayan, so semicolon. So, we have the connection in the database. Next would be if, okay, is set, okay, pause, okay, double, bracket, ang tawag dito, tama, bracket, single quotation, btn, what will be the name, btn submit. Itong code na to is kapag pinindot natin yung btn submit sa ating program o sa ating PHP sa browser, ito yung mangyayari. So, curly brackets. So, next will be else done, else if. See, we put condition later for error trapping. So, if, yeah, inside this if statement, we gonna lagyan natin ng if another if. Okay, empty. Okay, open close. Pause. Okay, txt. What will be the name of our first text box? Txt username, name, and oops, empty. Open close. Pause again. Txt password. And then curly brackets, don't forget. So, yun may pangalan ng natin, text password. If empty, yan, hindi pwede magtuloy yung like it. So, maglalabas tayo ng error message. Gamit tayo ng header. Okay, double quotation, location, index.php, error is equal to, please input your credentials. Okay. Semicolon. So, pag walang in-input si user, ito yung lalabas sa header at lalabas dito sa atin. So, okay. Next would be else, okay. Dito na tayo mag-query. Okay. Create a query. Query login. Okay. Is equal to select all from tbl user info. Ito yung table natin sa database. Where username, check natin database natin ha. Tingnan natin yun. Username is equal to double quote dot pause txt username and password is equal to single double concatenate, double inside concatenate $, pause bracket, inside that would be txt password. So, semicolon sa dulo. Okay, then create a result for that query. Result is equal to MySQLi query kunin natin yung connection, then kunin natin yung query, login, then semicolon. Okay, next would be if there's result. If, okay, result yan, is true, what would happen? So, gamitan natin siya ng MySQL fetch, fetch pasok, then this one. So, mare-redirect siya kung meron siyang natagpuan na ganong account. And select username, password is equal to. Mare-redirect siya sa another page. Okay, then location would be profile.php. Okay, so that's it. So here, balik tayo sa index natin. Tayo dito method. Ito yung method natin. Pause. Ano yung action natin, which is lagyan natin dito sa login underscore module.php. So, siya yung login natin. So, gawa tayo ng another page, profile.php for us to know if nakalogin tayo. Else, lagay tayo dito. Gamit tayo dito header, location, index.php, query, error, is equal to username does not exist. wala siyang query. Okay? So, yan. Try natin itong else na to kasi wala naman tayong pwede ilagay dyan na output. So, this is the basic code ng login, guys. So, yan. So, try natin. Then, ano ba yung password natin? So, admin. Kailangan mapunta tayo dito sa profile. Okay? So, load lang natin. So, check natin kung makapasok tayo sa profile. So, then, submit. So, ayun. Makapasok tayo sa profile. Pasok. So, here in our code, we're gonna put some code here. By the way, unahin muna natin itong error tagging. This one. Okay, then, ito. Tsaka ito. Okay. So, meron na tayong header. Then, ito tayo dito sa index. Below this, login. So, ba natin siya pwede ilagay? Inside the body. Inside the body. Okay, dito, maglalagay tayo ng PHP code. Close. So, here, we're gonna put it, condition, get, open and close. Ano yung unang nakalagay natin dito? Yan, error. So, kunin natin yung URI na yun, error, is equal to true. Then, pag-isahin na lang natin. Error na lang din dito. Hindi. Kasi magkaiba sila. Sorry. Ano mangyayari? Okay. Lalagay tayo dito ng another PHP. Paputulin natin yung curly brackets na to. Sara natin dito yung PHP. So, gagawin tayong PHP dito para hindi siya masara. So, dito, makapaglagay tayo ng div class is equal to text center space text danger. Okay, then close div. Inside this div, gagawa tayo ng PHP ulit. PHP, close, echo. I-echo natin yung laman ng error, which is ito. Yan, please input your credentials. Okay, so echo get error. Okay, gets mo niyo ba? So, pag wala tayong input na value dun sa text box, mag-e-echo siya ng error. So, okay. So, check natin. Wala ako ilalagay. Okay. So, submit. Please input your credentials. Yan. May konting error trapping lang yan. Okay. Same code din yung gagamitin natin. Tapos natin yung bootstrap. Same code din yung gagamitin natin here. So, kakopy lang natin to. Then, paste. And here, gonna change it. Ano ba nakalagay natin doon? Ayan. Query error. Okay. Query error. Tama ba? Kailangan tama yung ano nyo kasi mag-iiba siya ng i-return. So, try naman nating mag-login using if na walang account. Admin, password dapat natin sa admin. Gawin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, username does not exist. So, meron tayong error at on line 21 sa index natin. So, oops. Lagyan natin ng identifier na at, then both lagyan din natin ng at, so we can encounter that error, then reload, username does not exist, admin, lagyan natin ng 1, 2, password, username does not exist, user does not exist na lang gawin natin, username, dapat hindi siya username, user does not exist kasi wala sa database. Okay, yan lang yung basic na login. Okay, so sabi ko kanina, maglalagay tayo ng i-welcome natin dito. So, profile would be, so, dito, start session, start. Okay, so, meron tayong session. Then, here, kukunin natin si username. Okay, as data sa session natin. So, session, okay, user, variable to, is equal to pause, so bracket, txt, username, semicolon. Gumawa tayo ng session, start tayo ng session, so meron tayong variable sa session which is yung user ay equal to sa input natin kay txt username which is admin. So, kailangan may lalabas kay profile. Okay? once na niload natin. So, paano natin palalabasan yung data natin dito kay TXT username sa panibagong page, which is yung profile. So, here, we're gonna put session start, then, semicolon, if, tayo, is set, open and close, session, brackets, user, okay, user, okay, then, curly brackets, i-echo natin siya. Welcome to your profile, concatenate, tuldok, double quotation, semicolon. Lalagay natin dito, syempre, yung session natin. Session variable. Bracket, user. So, try natin, guys, kung gumagana siya. Then, reload natin tong index.php. Then, admin. Pasok tayo, admin. And, welcome to your profile. Admin. Okay, so, yan yung simpleng code lang. So, meron tayong 4 na file, the index, may konting error trapping, the login module. So, we use session para makapagpasa tayo ng session data sa other page or sa other file ng PHP natin. So, and may error handling na rin tayong konti. Empty, and connection database, not connected. Yan, meron siya error. So, I hope guys, meron kayo natutunan dito sa simple tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. At yung source code nito ay i-upload ko, then lalagay ko sa description yung download link. So, para matulungan kayo at ma-download nyo, pag-aralan nyo kung anong code na ginamit. So, sana natulungan kayo at natuto kayo sa aking simpleng tutorial. So, hanggang sa muli guys!